Hi everyone, my name is Benjamin. And in this video I'll be walking through my account order function R assignment. The goal of this assignment is basically to create a function that calculates the economic order quantity, the average inventory, and reorder point using only the base R code with no extra packages. So at the top of my script here, we can see I added a few short comments that basically explain what the function does, and it helps anyone reading my code understand that the function calculates EOQ, average inventory, and the reorder point for the business inventory model. Okay, so I define my function here. So the function demand units, order cost, holding cost, lead time, days, work days per year. This means I'm creating a function named econ order queue, and it takes 5 inputs. So here I calculated EOQ, which stands for economic order quantity. The formula I used is EOQ square root of 2 into brackets 2 times demand units times order cost divided by the holding cost. That's right there. Next, on this line right here, I calculated the average inventory with average inventory EOQ divided by 2. This is because on average, inventory levels are halfway between being fully stocked and empty. So here I calculated the daily demand units per work days per year, and this divides annual demand by the number of work days to see how many units are used each day. So I calculated the reorder point using reorder point right there, and yeah, this tells us basically when to place a new order so that the inventory doesn't run out during the supplier's lead time. So I've tested my functions using the values given in the assignment and the test results. So the demand units were 50,000, the order cost was 50, the lead time holding cost was 0.2, lead time days were 5, work days per year were 255. So these values basically represent a company that orders 50,000 units per year and pays $50,000 per order and has 0.20 holding costs per unit per year, with 5 days of lead time and 255 work days per year. So yeah, that means basically a business should order 5,000 units each time and will hold an average of 2,500 units, and should reorder when inventory drops to around 980 units. Yeah, so overall this assignment helped me practice writing my own functions in R using basic math formulas and returning multiple results in one output. It also connected a real business concept, inventory management, to programming logic in R. And that's the end of my account order queue assignment demonstration. Thank you for watching. Appreciate it.